Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all fine. Today I am introduce beautiful dresses with matching accessories. Elegance in perfect harmony. This stunning dress with matching accessories designed to create a flawless and polished look, crafted from high quality fabric. Dress flows gracefully with every step, offering both comfort and sophistication. The carefully paired accessory, whether it is coordinating handbag, delicate jewelry, or stylish belts, enhance the overall outfit, making them chic, perfect for wedding parties and special gatherings. This assemble saves you the trouble of mixing and matching, while ensuring you look beautifully put together. Coordinating beauty collections step into style with these thoughtfully designed dresses and matching accessories. At the dress features a flattering silhouette that complements all body types, while the matching pieces add charm and balance to the outfit. From coordinating earrings to the elegant clutches, every detail is selected to elevate your appearance. This complete look radiates confidence, grace, and modern femininity, making it ideal for festive occasion and evening celebration. Graceful styled assembles experience the beauty of perfect coordinated with this dress and accessory combination. The soft texture and fabric enhance comfort, while the tailored design ensure a refined finish. Matching accessory brings harmony to the outfit, adding a touch of glamour without overwhelming the look. Whether worn at family events or formal gatherings, this assemble reflects timeless elegance and effortless style, complete fashion statement. Whether set up or just and dress when you can have full look. This dress comes paired with a beautifully matching accessory that transforms a simple outfit into a statement symbol. The color coordinated create a visual balance, while the accessory and sparkle personality design for women who love showcation with convenience. This set is perfect for special events, celebration, and memorable occasion. Chicken coordinated perfections. This fashionable dress with this matching accessory offering style and without stress. The carefully chosen combination highlight the beauty of the design while ensure a seamless finish. From elegant necklaces to stylish handwear, each accessory complements the dress color and pattern beautifully, ideal for parties, dinner, and festive wear. This coordinated outfit ensures you shine with confidence and charm. Timeless glamour set, this exude dress paired with the matching accessories create a timeless and refined look. The flowing silhouette enhance movement, while the premium fabric feels soft and luxurious against the skin. Coordinating accessories such as the matching clutch, delicate jewelry, or an elegant scarf completely assemble beautifully designed for women who appreciate design fashion. And this is perfect for weddings, formal dinners, and festive celebration where sophistication truly shines. Effortless elegance designed to simplify styling while maximizing beauty. This dress and matching accessory combination delivers effortless elegance. The carefully tailored cut flatters the figure, while the coordinating accessory add a polish and finish. Every detail works in harmony, create a balanced and stylish appearance, ideal for evening wear, gatherings, and special occasions. This assemble ensure you look confident and refined without needing extra styling effort. Luxury in every detail, crafted with attention to detail. This dress with matching accessory bring luxury to your wardrobe. The fabric drapes smoothly highlight the silhouette with the grace, and matching pieces are thoughtfully selected to enhance and color the designs. Create a complete and harmonious look, whether attending a celebration or hosting an event. This sets makes dressing up simple yet extraordinary, perfectly perfection. Experience the beauty of coordinating with these stunning dresses and accessories. At this elegant dress is completed by matching elements that elevate the overall outfit, from subtle sparkle to refined textures. Each accessory adds depth and personality. These perfectly paired assembles is ideal for those who love classic fashion with a modern twist. Sophisticated celebration style. Celebrate every special moment in style with this coordinated dress and accessory. Combination the pleasing design enhance natural beauty, while the matching pieces add charm and complementness. Whether it's said charm and complements family functions for family festive events or festive gatherings. This outfit ensures you stand out with grace and poise. Radiant harmony collection. This radiant dress showcases the power of super coordinations, the elegant fabric, and detailed structure create a accessory provide a seamless finish. This balanced color petals and refined detail make this assemble suitable for both daytime elegance and evening glamour. Signature style set make a lasting impression with the signature style dresses and matching accessory set. Designed for modern women who love complete fashion solutions, this assemble remove the guesswork from styling. The harmonious combination of texture, colors, and accessories ensure a cohesive, stunning appearance for any special occasion. elegant assemble for every occasion. Step into sophisticated with this dress paired with the coordinating accessories. Uh, the design combines comfort and style, offering flowing fits that moves gracefully with you. Matching taste from delicate jewelry to chic to handbags add a cohesive and polished touch, ideal for celebration, evening dinner, or festive event. This assemble ensure a confident, hydrated, trending appearance. Chic coordinating collection. This dress and accessories for women who love celebration harmony in their wardrobe. This soft fabric tapes elegantly while the matching accessory complete the outfit with a subtle sophistication. Every detail is curated to enhance your natural charm, making it a perfect for weddings, formal gatherings, or casual celebration. Where you want to stand out gracefully, the complete style statement where settles for just a dress when you can have a full coordinating look. This assembles pair beautifully dressed with accessories that complement color, texture, and style. From sparkling earrings to a matching clutch, every piece works together to create a refined and memorable appearance perfect for special occasions. This set is the ultimate shortcut to looking effortlessly graceful harmony attires experience seamlessly styled with this beautifully coordinating dress and accessory set. The flattering silhouette enhance confidence while matching accents with jewelry, belts, or handbags create a polished and balanced look ideal for formal gatherings, evenings, and timeless elegance without extra effort. Stylish and outfit elevates your wardrobe with this stylish dress and matching accessory. The truthful combination of color, texture, and details make this dress supple a breeze. Each accessory is carefully paired to enhance beauty. The dress, creating a sophisticated and put out together look for wedding, celebration, or any special occasion. Feminine elegance assembles. Highlight your natural gaze with these feminine dress sets. The flowing fabric and refined design are complemented by matching accessories that add a subtle glamour from coordinating handbags to delicate jewelry. Every piece works together harmony and to create a complete elegant look perfect for formal event, festive gathering or celebratory outings. Harmony in fashion discover the effortless and allure of this dress with the perfectly matched accessory. Every piece in this set is truly curated and selected complement the dress color pattern style the accessory whether earrings, bracelets, or chic handbags tie the outfit together, creating a harmonious and refined look perfect for wedding, special gathering, or evening events. So it's this assembly ensures you radiate elegance from every angle. The complete elegance sets this dress paired with the coordinating accessory offers complete solutions for polished style. The flowing design flatters the silhouette, while the matching pieces enhance the assemble. Sophisticated ideal for parties, family celebration, or formal events, these sets allow you to step out confidently without worrying about mismatch elements. Refined celebration wear make every celebration memorable with this beautifully coordinating dress and accessory collection. Designed with attention to detail, the dress executes grace while the matching accessory provide the perfect finishing touch from delicate necklaces to elegant clutches. Each item is curated to ensure your look is cohesive and stylish. Effortless charm symbols elevate your wardrobe with its truly curated dress and matching accessories at the elegant design factors every figure while the carefully coordinating accessories, the jewelry or scarf, add sophistication and charm perfect for wedding, evening or events or festive gathering. This assembly ensure a polished and graceful appearance celebration. Ready collection this complete outfit takes a guess and Each piece enhances the symbols, making it ideal for special Korean memorable celebration. Timeless coordinating set experience classic style with this dress and matching accessory designed to create a seamless and refined look. The fabric drapes gracefully and the matching piece add a balance and elegance and showcase perfect for formal dinners, wedding or festive events. This set is timeless, effortlessly chic, sophisticated, harmonious symbols step out in style with their dress accessory. Set that exude sophistication. Every accessory is carefully selected to complement the dress designs, creating a cohesive, polished, and refined appearance. Ideal for parties, formal occasion, or celebrity event, this assemble highlights your natural elegance. The ultimate style set when settle for an ordinary outfit when you can have a coordinating masterpiece. This dress comes paired with matching accessories chosen for harmony and style. From subtle jewelry to elegant handbag, every element contributes to a stunning hand turning a symbol that perfect for special occasion. Graceful assembles collection. This dress and accessory combination combines effortless elegance, grace, the flowing silhouette enhance movement in comfort while the matching accessory and sophisticated and complementness perfect for festive gathering, weddings or formal events. This is a set ensure you look polished and elegant put together. Elegant assemble for special moment and head with these stunning dresses and matching accessories are designed to make every queen memorable and the dress flows effortlessly graceful with every moment. While the polished perfection outfits, this complete set offers style without compromise. The elegant dress features flattering cut and every accessory carefully matched to complement the creating a seamless and chic look ideal for formal events, family gathering, or evening. So it says this assembly ensure you execute confident and poised. Celebration ready symbol designed for memorable event. This dress with matching accessory brings elegance and harmony to your wardrobe. Each accessory enhances the dress designs providing cohesion and polish appearance for coordinating handbag to delicate jewelry. Every detail is carefully chosen to elevate your style. Timeless elegance collection. Step into classic style with this beautifully coordinating dress. This has said the flowing fabric drapes effortlessly while the matching pieces add sophistication and refinement perfect for festive occasions, formal dinners or evening parties. This symbol embodies timeless fashion, harmonious style symbol this dress's accessory combination is designed to create a perfect balance, beauty, and elegance, coordinating elements such as jewelry, handbags, and belts add a polished and finish to the outfit, making it ideal for weddings, parties, or any special occasion. Where sophisticated matters, complete fashion harmony, effortless style comes alive in this dress paired with the matching accessories and flattened sleeve is complemented by accessory chosen to coordinated accessory and the flowing design enhances your natural charm while the matching element clutch with your scarf. Tie the look together perfect for wedding parties or special occasions. This is the ensure you feel graceful and stylish, sophisticated charm symbol refined and coordinating this dress with the matching accessory bring effortless style to your wardrobe. Each accessory is selected to complement the dress designs, create a balanced and harmonious feel. Evening party celebrity events. This set is a must-have wardrobe essential for graceful styling. Fashionable coordinating set. This dress and accessory combination of a harmony, sophisticated and convenience, coordinating jewelry, handbags, and other accessories elevate the symbol, ensuring a polished and stylish appearance for weddings, special occasions, or festive gatherings. Chic and complete assemble where wise settles for just 10 dress. When you can have a perfectly styled set, disassemble pairs flowing dress with a matching accessory to create a cohesive chic look. From delicate earring to matching clutch, every element enhance the outfit, making it ideal for memorable events and celebrations. Graceful assemble for every occasion, step into effortless elegance with this dress paired with a matching accessory. The flowing design flatters every silhouette while coordinating jewelry, handbag, or scarves. Provide a polished and harmonious finish perfect for wedding, evening night, or festive celebration. This set ensures your radiant shop occasion where you go. Effortless harmony collection. This ensemble combine a beautifully tailored dress with accessories chosen to complete every detail. Coordinating pieces enhance the overall look, providing a balanced, stylish, and cohesive appearance ideal for formal gatherings, parties, or celebration. This outfit lets to shine with ease. The complete chic set take the guesswork out of styling with this dress. This has the combination. The elegant dress is enhanced by matching jewelry, handbags, and belts, creating a sophisticated and harmonious look perfect for weddings, special occasion, and festive events. This set ensures a polished appearance with minimal effort, polished deliberately, assembled, designed for memorable occasion. This coordinating dress accessory set radiates elegance, and the dress flowing silhouette pairs perfectly with matching accents that enhance the outfit charm ideal for parties, evening gathering, or festive celebration. This sets guarantees a refined and stylish look, radiant harmony outfit shine with confidence in this beautifully coordinating assembles. The dress drapes gracefully while the matching accessory carefully selected to complement the color and style create a seamless elegance appearance. Perfect for wedding, formal dinners, festive occasion. This outfit executes timeless charm, complete elegance symbol. This paired with the matching accessory offers effortless showcation. Every element from handbags to jewelry is truly curated to enhance the dress beauty ideal for evening parties, weddings, or celebratory events. This set ensures a polished and harmonious look, chic and coordinating perfection. While settles for simple dress when you can have a fully styled symbol. This set pairs a gorgeous dress with accessories selected to harmonize with its design, coordinating piece add sophistication and charm, making it perfect for weddings, festive event, or special occasions. Timeless grace assembles experience the beauty of flawless coordination with this dress and accessory set. This elegant silhouette and enhanced matching piece, including jewelry and handbag, create a polished and stylish harmonious look ideal for formal event, evening gathering, or festive celebration. Stylish harmony outfits step out of confidence with this coordinating dress and accessory combination. The flowing design flatters every figure while matching and complete the elements. Festive gathering, this sets ensure effortless, elegant, radiant, coordinating set. This dress with a matching accessory brings sophistication to every event. Each accessory from handbag to jewelry is truly paired to complement the dress, creating a cohesive and polished look ideal for celebration, evening event, or formal occasions. Fashionable complete assemble. This assemble combines stunning dresses with the perfectly matched accessory for refined and harmonious appearance. With perfectly matched accessory, refined harmonious appearance, coordinating elements, and jewelry add elegance charm, making it perfect for wedding parties and festive occasions. Effortless sophistication assemble this dress paired with a matching accessory create a look that is both polished and graceful. Every detail is thoroughly coordinated from jewelry to handbags, ensuring a harmonious and ideal for weddings, formal dinners, or festive events. This assemble radiates confidence and timeless elegance. Complete celebration look step into style with this dress and accessories are designed for memorable occasion. The flowing silhouette platters all body types while the matching accessory brings balance and elegance. Charm to the outfit perfect for parties, family gathering for festive event. Disassemble make dressing up for effortless elegance, harmonious style set. Experience the beauty of coordinations with this stunning dress and matching accessories. Each piece is carefully curated to complement the overall designs, creating a wedding events and festive occasions. Celebration polish glamour symbol turn every outfit into a statement with its coordinating dress and a sexy combination. The elegant dress paired with the matching pieces, handbags, belts, jewelry, and ensure refined and chic appearance, perfect for formal events, evening parties, festive gathering, timeless coordination collection. This symbol brings effortless elegance to your wardrobe. This dress features graceful silhouette while matching accessory enhance the overall look. Sophisticated and balanced, ideal for weddings, family celebration, or evening event. Wear style and guest matter, stylish and seamlessly outfit look effortless put together with this dress and matching accessory. The complementary pieces create a harmony in color, texture, and design, elevating the outfit to a polished and chic symbol perfect for parties, festive gathering, or formal dinner. Chic celebration assembles designed for memorable occasion. This dress paired with a coordinating accessory exude charm and elegance, matching jewelry, handbags, and belt enhance the dress beauty, creating a cohesive and stylish appearance. Elegant harmony sets the dress with matching accessories, create a look of refined sophistication and the flowing fabric flatterings is hued and enhanced by carefully chosen party that complement the overall style perfect for formal occasion, festive gathering or special celebrations. Complete chic assemble achieves effortless style with this dress and accessory. Every element is carefully paired to create a polished and harmonious look. Ultimate celebration assembles make a statement every special occasion. With this dress and matching accessories, the flowing silhouette flatter your figure while the coordinating jewelry, clutch, and scarf provide a polished, harmonious finish. Perfect for weddings, festive events, and evening parties. This assembly ensures you look effortlessly elegant. Complete style harmony. This beautifully coordinating set combines a dress and matching accessories for a seamless chic look. Each accessory is carefully selected to complement the dress color, texture, and design, creating an symbol that radiates occasion. Ideal for formal gathering, dinners, and celebrations. Elegant coordinating collections step into refined style with this dress paired with matching accessories. Coordinating elements such as handbag, earring, and belts add depth and an elegance balance, ensuring a polished, cohesive appearance. Perfect for gathering, festive gathering where elegance is key, flawlessly styled, symbol designed for effortless charm. This dress is a sassy combination, ensure a perfect put together look matching piece enhance the beauty of a dress without compromising on style or it creating a harmony of sophistication ideal for evening events, family celebration or formal occasion. Polish elegance set this dress paired with coordinating accessory bring sophistication and style to any special occasion. Carefully selected jewelry, handbag, and scarf complement the dress design, creating a seamless and harmonious appearance perfect for wedding, festive celebration, memorable events. Stylish celebration. They turn heads with these coordinating dresses, accessories set the elegant silhouette flows gracefully while the matching element enhance your overall look from delicate jewelry to chic handbags. Every piece works in harmony, making these sets ideal for parties, weddings, and evening events. Timeless coordinating assemble embrace timeless elegance with this dress and matching accessories set to flowing beautifully. The flowing fabric drays beautifully while the accessory carefully chosen to complement the dress add a sophisticated and balanced, perfect for formal gathering, celebration, and festive occasion. Harmonious fashion collection. This dress paired with the matching accessories and effortlessly look coordinating jewelry, handbags, and belts enhance the overall appearance. Providing a polished, cohesive appearance, ideal for wedding, evening parties, and festive celebration. Defined celebration symbol. Step out with the grace in this coordinating dress with the eye matching accessory. Combination the dress elegant silhouette is complemented by carefully selected accessories and creating a stylish and harmonious look perfect for wedding, formal dinner, or festive occasion. Effortless glamour set. Achieve effortless glamour with this dress and matching accessories, symbol coordinating pieces enhance the elegance of the dress, creating a seamless, polished, and stylish appearance ideal for weddings, parties, and festive celebration where you want to stand out gracefully. Celebration and ready harmony. This dress is has set accessory is designed to effortless elegantly flowing silhouette. Flatters every figure while the coordinating accessory, jewelry, clutch, and belt complete the look with a grace perfect for weddings, festive events, and evening gatherings. This assemble ensure you look polished and stylish. Flawless coordination assembles achieve a seamless chic appearance with this dress paired with a matching accessory. Each accessory is truly selected to enhance dress designs, creating a cohesive, sophisticated look ideal for occasion parties and celebration. Polished perfection outfit. This complete assemble combine a graceful dress with carefully chosen accessories, coordinating jewelry, handbags, and scarves complement the outfit perfectly, ensuring balance and elegance appearance. Perfect for wedding, festive gathering, and evening events. Effortless elegance sets. Step out in this stylish with this beautifully coordinating dress and accessories collection match with the elements such as earrings, handbags, and belts brings harmony and sophisticated appearance to the assembled idea of a party celebration of formal gatherings, harmonious celebration disassembles. This dress is a accessory combination catches the ultimate cohesive look, coordinating pieces enhance the beauty of dress while adding a subtle charm and sophisticated appearance perfect for weddings, festive event, and memorable gatherings. Define glamour outfit. Make a lasting impression with this elegant dress and matching accessories that the flowing designs complement your figure. While carefully matched jewelry, handbag, and belts create a polished, harmonious look ideal for evening parties, weddings, or festive occasions. Timeless styled assembles. Seamless coordinating collection experience effortless style with this dress and accessory side. Each accessory is truly chosen to complement the dress design, creating a cohesive, polished appearance. Ideal for weddings, parties, and evening occasions. Sophisticated harmony outfit. Disassemble blend style and refinement. The dress elegant silhouette is enhanced by coordinating accessory, glitch jewelry, or scarf, creating a harmonious, graceful look. Perfect for formal dinners, festive gathering, or special celebration. Complete elegance assemble, elevate your wardrobe with this dress and matching accessory set, coordinating pieces and sophistication and charm. Ensuring your effortless elegance is the key. Refined glamour outfit make a lasting impression with this elegant dress and matching accessory. The flowing design complements your figure while carefully matched accessories, handbags, and body create a polished harmony look ideal for evening parties, festive occasion, timeless style. Assemble this dress paired with matching accessory embodies classic elegance. Every detail from coordinating handbag, jewelry to adds a sophisticated and balance to the outfit perfect for formal event, festive gathering, and special occasions. Seamless coordination collection experience effortless style with this dress and accessories that enhance each accessory is suitably chosen to complement the dress design, creating cohesive polished appearance ideal for weddings, parties, and evening occasions.